In our life journey, pain and challenges are always inevitable. Whether it is the difficulties in life or the loneliness in our hearts, these dark moments often make us feel helpless and confused. So, how can we find a way out of these difficulties and rekindle the light of hope in our hearts? In the face of difficulties, Buddhist wisdom teaches us to recognize the truth of impermanence. Immanence means that everything is temporary, including our pain and setbacks. By observing impermanence, we can learn not to be too obsessed with the current predicament, but to accept them with a calm mind and seek inner strength to overcome them. Our inner peace is a state of mind that transcends the external environment. When we learn to control our emotions and maintain inner stability, we can see the essence of the problem more clearly and find a solution. This power of calm comes from the understanding of self-inner wisdom, which is achieved through continuous self-reflection and practice. In the face of the spiritual power of difficulties, the difficulties in life are like fog, shrouded in front of our eyes, making it impossible to see the future. However, when we are willing to stop and think quietly, we will find that these difficulties are only part of our lives. In the face of difficulties, the most important thing is to adjust our inner state, not just rely on external changes. The power of the heart comes from our deep understanding and acceptance of ourselves. Through introspection, we can discover our inner wisdom and strength and use it to meet the challenges of the outside world. This power can help us redefine the meaning of difficulties and find a way out of darkness. The difficulties in reality are only short-lived, and the real power comes from the peace and wisdom in our hearts. Pain and challenges are important opportunities for us to grow. In Buddhist wisdom, pain is regarded as a part of practice. Through these experiences, we can have a deeper understanding of ourselves and be sublimated in the process. Every challenge is an opportunity for us to face the difficulties of the future with a more mature mind. The process of transforming pain is not easy, but it is the most precious experience in our lives. When we learn from pain and turn it into strength, we can remain tenacious in difficulties and finally meet the new light. Every challenge is an opportunity for us to rediscover ourselves and inspire our inner light. The key to getting out of trouble lies in the inner strength and wisdom. When we learn to accept impermanence, stay calm, and turn pain into opportunities for growth, we can find light in the dark and welcome the hope of new birth. In difficulties, you can find your inner strength and face a bright future.